It is 7th of March on a Monday, and the time now is 3:09 p.m. in Singapore. My name is Dylan, and welcome to my daily trading analysis video. So we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, as we know that last Friday we have the non-farm employment change, and the data was and the employment change was pretty positive for the US, but then the average hourly earning was unexpectedly disappointing. We have a negative 0.1%. So anyway, let's kick off with the euro against US dollar. So for the euro against US dollar, we've seen that the price has gained and got registered at the key resistance level at the price of 1.1037, which follows by the pullback, and the price is now seen beginning to fall. Alright, so zooming in into the smaller time frame in the 4-hourly chart. Alright, so as you can see, we've seen that the price has been registered right here at 1.1037, which is at the retracement level of 30.2% as well. So price has begun to fall. However, we are likely to see that the price may appreciate again and test the similar level at 1.1037, while we expect the price to continue to consolidate a little bit further just before the ECB press conference taking place on Thursday this week. So we'll be looking for the sell opportunity as soon as we see that the price comes back to the same level and retest it. So that's for the euro against US dollar. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar into the day one chart. Let me just remove this. Alright, so in the day one chart itself, we have seen that the pound against US dollar is most likely to appreciate further based on the current structure that we have right now, if you are able to identify the pattern right here. And of course, given the momentum of the appreciation that we have so far, we've seen that the price has appreciated continuously for one whole week. As for the last week, is yes, for the one whole week itself. And into the 1 hourly chart, we are seeing that the price is appreciating on a upward consolidation, seeing that the price has been pushing higher after every consolidation. So we are expecting the same to happen for the consolidation right now, and we'll be waiting for the price to retrace a little bit further, preferably to the price of 1.416869 to go for the buy opportunity again, based on the past pattern. So that is really pretty much for the pound against US dollar. Alright, so in the small time frame and based on the bigger time frame, it is both are pointing towards the upside, and therefore that gives a very good reasons and opportunity to go for the buy. So that's for the pound against US dollar. And next we have the Aussie against the US dollar, starting from day one chart. Alright, so the price has been appreciating again for the past whole week, and yes, finally broken above the key resistance level right here at the price of 0.7379, a very strong resistance level since the 2015 October itself. Therefore expected the price to appreciate further from here, and we have identified that the key exhaustion level measured by the Fibonacci expansion is at the price of 0.7523. There's still a lot of space for the price to appreciate further. So zooming into the smaller time frame in the 4-hourly chart, we've seen that there is a rising trend channel and the price is staying resisted at the top of it. Therefore, we expected the price to make significant retracement before we look for an opportunity to buy. So we probably won't see or rather make any trading decision until we've seen that the price makes significant retracement. And when I talk about significant retracement, at least it retraces back to the retracement level of 30.2%. But in this case, the key resistance support level that we will be looking at is at the price of 0.7242, the previous key resistance level, and of course at the same time just right above the retracement level of 61.8%. So this will be the key level for us to go for the buy, but we will still consider when the price touches the retracement level of 30.2% at the price of 0.7314. So that's for the Aussie against the US dollar. Next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So back in the day one chart, we have seen that the price has also appreciated for the past 1 week, and it has finally broken above the key resistance level at the price of 0.6749. Alright, which is also at the top of a range, and therefore expected the price to appreciate further from here. But right now we are seeing into the smaller time frame is that the price has been exhausted, right, from the appreciation, and we're seeing that the price is beginning to make significant retracement. So we are waiting for the price to retrace to the price of 0.6768, which is somewhere right here, right at this level itself. Because this could be the level that the price may turn from a resistance level into a support level, and therefore from here we can look for a buy opportunity. Right, that's as straightforward as it is. So that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, but of course we can always use Fibonacci retracement. Maybe slightly a little bit lower will be at the retracement level of 23.6%, the price of 0.6760. That could be a good price to go for the buy as well. And that's for the New Zealand dollar against US dollar. Next we have something new. We have the euro against the Japanese yen. So into the day one chart, we have seen that the euro yen has made significant retracement from the downtrend, but it has yet to reach any key resistance level. So therefore we are expecting the price to still continue to appreciate and retrace even further before we go for a longer term of a solid opportunity. So into the smaller time frame, all the way into the 1 hourly chart, we have seen that the price has begun to make retracement downwards, alright, from the appreciation, and is expected to appreciate again soon after it has come soon after the retracement has come to the end, and we are looking to go for the buy as price retraces closer to the price of 124.23 at the retracement level of 30.2%. Alright, so in the bigger time frame, we expect the price to retrace further, which means to say that the price will appreciate further. And in the smaller time frame, we are seeing that the price is moving on the upward trend, waiting for the retracement to be over, and therefore we are looking for a buy opportunity. That's straightforward. And last but not least, we have the dollar against Japanese yen. So it's been a while. So in the dollar yen, in the weekly charts, we have seen that the price has long broke below the key support level at 116.06, and it has been moving in a sideways movement, or rather consolidate for the past 3 weeks. So into the smaller time frame, rather back over here, since we are seeing strong exhaustion and a consolidation right here, we may probably want to wait for the price to retrace at least back to the key support level, which may turn into a resistance level at 116.06 before we look for further opportunity to go for the sell. So therefore, into the smaller time frame, in the 1 hourly chart, we have seen that the price has been consistently supported at the price of 113.19 at the retracement level of 30.2%. So we'll just simply wait for the price to retrace again back to the same level at 113.19 at retracement level of 30.2% to go for the buy. Alright, so that is for the dollar against the Japanese yen. And just want to quickly give a conclusion for the US employment data last Friday. We have a very positive employment change, but however we have a unexpectedly disappointed wages growth, or rather average hourly earning. So coming to the FOMC, or rather the Fed funds rates, this is going to cause the Federal Reserve not to raise interest rate in the month of March, and that is going to push the US dollar a little bit weaker. But however, because the overall labor market is still considered positive, that will also help the US dollar to strengthen a little bit further as well. So it is now pretty much when we talk about euro, we are looking at the ECB press conference. The pound will be waiting to hear from Gulf Canada itself for more direction. And of course, moving forward, we will be looking for more clues when will the Federal Reserve wants to raise, or rather to decide to raise interest rate again. Alright, so that is pretty much what I have to share, and I'll probably want to share more in my later videos for the rest of the week. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.